So here you can see that I've already opened up my Microsoft Sway application and I'm on its homepage. So once you open up, the first thing you see is welcome to Sway, and then you have three options to create a new document. That is, you can create a blank document, you can start from a topic, or choose an existing document and make a document out of it. Over here on the My Sways section, you can see that you can see the sways that you have edited, viewed, you can see its analytics, and you can see the ones that are deleted as well. So just like this, you can start a new sway from a template that you have an option from right over here, or you can get inspired by a featured sway. That is, you can see sways that has already been made by other users and get inspired from them as well. So on the top hand side, you can see the sway right here. So you can access, that is, you can return back onto the sway page, and you have app switcher right over here. So Office app switcher is right there. And on the right side, you can also see that there's create new. So it creates a blank sway if you were to click on this. And if you were to go on tutorials, then you can access some sway tutorials to get started with it as well. On the right hand side, if you were to click on this, then you can create a new sway from over here as well. And then you can go on to its help menu. You can then access your account settings or sign out of your account as well. And these are the basic features right here. So if you want to see some other sways, so let me just go on to how to sway slide. Then what happens is that it loads off that sway which has already been created just like that. And you can see that this is how the sway is. So you can scroll down and you can see that it almost looks like a web page, but the overall outlook is much more interactive. So it has kind of like a guideline just like this, as you can see, and it's very, very interactive just like that. So you have an option to share this and do everything else. So if I were to go on to the top, you can see that there's a back button right here. So I'm just going to go back, and there you go. I'm here on the home page just like that. So in the upcoming lessons, we're going to see on how to work with Sway documents. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.